We take every one of our clients and we say to them, do you want to put money into something that you know is going to go down in value? It's not a question of if, it's a question of when. You know it's going to go down in value. Fixed income is going to go down in value. Even if you buy a one-year CD, which is earnings 0.75%, you are losing money in that portfolio. Why? Because the cost of eggs is going up by more than 0.75% every year. The cost of everything in your house, the draperies, you name it, are going up more than 0.75% every single year. We know that's a fact. We know it intrinsically that it's a fact, but we don't realize that when we put our money into an account that's earning virtually nothing, that account is actually losing us money, even if it doesn't, quote, lose us money. Does everybody understand that? If you go out and you buy an IBM 10-year bond today, you can I looked it up just 2 minutes ago. 1.8% is what the yield is on the 10-year IBM right now. So, having said all of that, why is it that I'm not putting any of my clients' money in bonds right now? And by the way, I'm putting none of my clients' money in bonds right now. The reason I'm not is because I believe there's a better solution. And that solution is a life insurance policy. Why would I put money into a life insurance policy? Here's why you put it into a life insurance policy. Number one, that life insurance policy has built into it one of the greatest gizmos of all time, and that's called a death benefit. Why is that important? Because everybody dies. And so what is beautiful about a life insurance policy is that unlike any other investment, it is guaranteed to be worth more than you put into it. Absolutely, positively. It is the only investment that you can put money into that is guaranteed to be worth more than when you started, even if you factor inflation. Why? Because the death benefit is always going to be great. Now, here's what's even more interesting. Most of us, when we think about life insurance, think about life insurance as, let's get the cheapest possible life insurance we can buy. Everybody agree? I want the cheapest possible life insurance I can buy. But I'm here to tell you that the cheapest life insurance that you can buy is when you put it into a whole life type contract or a universal life contract and you max fund that puppy. And inevitably when people say to me, well, why are we going to use life insurance? This is what I say to them. Because life insurance is the only vehicle I know of that if rates go up, the rates go with. If the market changes in any way, shape, or form, you don't lose any of your principal. And if you happen to die in the meantime, it's self-completing, meaning that we're going to have a whole bunch more money in this thing than we anticipated for your family. If we set it up correctly, you can access that money anytime you need it. But at the end of the day, we want you to know the money is available to you if you need it. You've got a death benefit which is going to be payable to your family, which is going to be far in excess of what you ever put into the contract. And here's what's really cool. When I told him that it was going to be worth 2.5 times what he originally put in, fully guaranteed, he looked at me and he said, why in the hell aren't more people doing this? You have the greatest opportunity of your life to do something really special. Thanks so much.